Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Today is November 1st. Happy November 1st. Unbelievable. 2018 is almost over. We got 60 days left in this year. Unbelievable. Alrighty, road trip. I had a question I'm going to show you real quick about the dog park. There is a really nice dog park here in Quartzsite. Actually, it's really close to where I'm staying. Okay, this is Plymouth Avenue. Make a right. Right across where you see those planes, that's Town Park. That's where they're going to hold that Wild West show here next week. Anyway, just up here about, quarter mile or so before you get up to their little RC airport is the dog park. Let me pull in. I'll just get a quick look with the GoPro. Show it to you. This is probably about the only grass you'll see in the desert. Very little grass here, but they got two sides, big dog, small dog. A lot of people use this. They'll come up and socialize in the evenings, all their dogs play. But there is a dog park, so I hope that answers the question I got. Okay, once again, this is Plymouth Avenue. We'll head on down. While I'm at it, I'll show you where the library is too. Big park. I mean, you can run your dogs. Yeah, it's big picnic area, all that there on the right. Okay, right here on the left, this is actually Town Hall, and it houses the library. They do have free Wi-Fi, and a lot of people come here to use the Wi-Fi. They'll sit out in the parking lots. It's broadcasted. It's pretty decent. Like to check emails and photos and that kind of stuff. This is also their town hall. They sell the business license here, have their meetings, whatever. So anyway, that's it right there, library. All right, like I said a couple days ago, let's go check out the long-term camping area, the LTVA area. We're only do one. We'll go check out one of them. Alrighty, traveling south again on Plymouth. This will take us right down to Main Street. Okay, right up here on the left, there's a postal annex that's full of P.O. boxes. And right there on the left, too, is the cop shop. That's the police station. And here's Main Street. It's roughly about 11 in the morning, somewhere around there. On the left is that Patty's RV park. They sell a lot of propane there. Then on the right, there's your Family Dollar. And Coyote Fresh Foods, that used to be general store. Then up here is the gas station and whatnot. On the left there, that's the old Crawford's RV park. They're really cheap, but boy, the freeway noise there is horrendous. In this building there on the left, that's a big laundromat. Main Street Laundry. Okay, I'm going to make a left up here. This will be Central Avenue, Main and Central. We'll make a left and head south. The campgrounds or BLM areas are just south of the town, about a half mile. There's a motorhome. He's probably heading to Yuma. Alrighty, we're crossing over I-10 right here. The traffic here this month is gonna explode. You're gonna see. I'll come out and try to film some of it. There'll be a line of RVs heading to Yuma like you will not believe. Now that's November. It's amazing. It's like a one big parade. RV parade going through Quartzsite. And most of them, they're heading to Yuma. They don't stay here. Alrighty, we're almost out here, about quarter mile. Okay, on the left, they call it La Posa West. Or excuse me, on the left they say La Posa North. And on the right, it's La Posa West. Don't ask me why. I don't know. That's what they name them. These two are the closest to the showgrounds. Okay, I'll get parked and I'll launch a quadcopter. We'll take a look at it from the air. All right, up we go. Gives you a good look at 95 there. That's looking back at Quartzsite. Here is La Posa West. Doesn't look like many trailers out there, but that's still a few. This place will be packed. Once again, you're next to the showgrounds here. These are the closest to the big tent, Tyson Wells. And that's a look at 95 heading down towards Yuma. You can see the Kofa Mountains back there. Those are beautiful in the evening. Look, there goes two more RVs right there, heading south. And now we're looking over at La Posa North. And this is, I'm guessing, probably the biggest. This goes a real long ways. I'm going to show you a back entrance where not too many people go into for this La Posa North. And down there is one of the office. They have 4 office buildings that you can pay and get your permit. Anyway, that's La Posa North right there, and you can see there's rigs. They also have a sewer dump, water available, and dumpsters. That's part of your fee. You get all that. Alrighty, let's get back on the road. Alright, that was a look from the air. We're flying right around 80 feet, 80, 90. Somewhere in there. But there's quite a few rigs. It's so spread out, it's so big. I'll slow down here so you can get a look at the signs. La Posa North, and to the left is the west. And look how close you are to the showgrounds. Right here you are. On the left will be where the big tent is. And just past that is Prospectors and Tyson Wells. And to the right is Rice Ranch. You're right here. Alright, now I'm going to show you something here. This is East Kewen. This is Rice Ranch. All private land here. And this is where their vendors set up. And we're going to go down here. This goes down about a mile or two. But I'll show you another entrance into La Posa North. Here on the left is Bad Boys Cafe. They just opened up. Good food. Their specialty is like breakfast and burgers. They've been around for a long time. They serve a lot of meals there. And there's the windshield guy on the left. Alright, we're going to go down here about another mile. Okay, this whole area on the right hand side, that's La Posa North. You can't drive through that berm. But this whole area on the right hand side is part of that La Posa North. Now see this little driveway here? Guess what? You're allowed to come in here. This is what they call the boundary area for La Posa North. Pull on in, pick a site. Everybody crowds in over off Highway 95. Back here, no one comes in here. Always look for those big power poles, those big power lines. And this is all long term. You can now. There's no office here. You still have to go over and get the permit on the other road, but then you can pull right back in here. Little secret entrance. And this is long term. You can stay 6 months right on the town line. Okay, I'm going to head out of here. I don't want to drive all the way in. I'll stop up here and get a picture of the sign. Hang on, I'll hop out. I'll be right back. Okay, that's where we just drove in. Look, only one trailer in this whole area. Right there. Long-term visitor area boundary. You can pull in there and stay. And right there is the corner of Regals and Kewen. All right, now you know. Now it'll probably fill up. And one of the best parts down here too, right up here is exit 19, the exit that's not used so heavily. So you're at the east end of town. You still have the gas stations. Just over the freeway here, make a left on Main is the stores. You're good end of town to be on. That's exit 19 and I-10. This one big loop. That's all we did. Pretty cool, huh? Over the next week or two, I'll go film the other ones too. Because there's several campgrounds, but those are the long term. The other ones are the 14-day ones. Alrighty, well, head on back, get this thing edited. Picture perfect weather. Look at that view. The sunsets have just been phenomenal here. I think November, personally for me, is probably one of my favorite months here. Absolutely gorgeous. Still warm. Nights are warm. You can sit out with a nice fire. Just really enjoy it here. Alrighty, back here at the park. Yeah, I'll take you around the back side of the park here. These are their yearly spots. Most of these people live here by the year or leave there. They got the park model here. And it's all desert on two sides of this park. That's what's so nice here. It's nice and quiet, especially in the evenings. All you hear is a little bit of traffic. Alrighty, well, if you have any comments, questions, throw them down below. I'm working at getting my little trailer ready for the van build next week. That starts next on the 7th. I think that's Wednesday or something. Whatever day the 7th is. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk to you real soon. Take care, all.